Yo, what's up, YouTube? Philly Man Cave here, coming at you with a two-box break. The blaster boxes you get from Target. I got a box here of 2013 Gypsy Queen and a box of 2013 Bowman. There's 8 packs in the Bowman and 8 packs in the Gypsy Queen. I've yet to open them up. I figured I'm doing them live because they're not hobby boxes, so there's only a few packs. Everything I get in here is for sale, unless it's my part of my PC or whatever. Let me fix the camera here. So there you go. And let's do, since I've opened up some Bowman before, I'll do that one first. Get that one out of the way. Don't expect to get too much because they're retail packs, so the odds of getting something major, some Mojo is not likely, but you never know. So let's get into it here. There's the box. Bear with me if the video is a little bit long. I may do a separate video for the Gypsy Queen if this goes too long. So you guys will keep watching, but let's see. Just going through them real quick and see if there's anything of note. I got an orange. Oh, not too bad actually. Orange short printed rookie of Carlos Correa, who was the first overall pick in the 2013 draft by the Houston Astros, number 80 out of 250. So that's not too bad at all, especially from a retail pack. I don't know what these sell for. Probably say at least $10. So it's, but if not, maybe even more. Just going through. That was the major card out of that pack. I'm only going to show like the major, if there's anything of note in the pack, instead of showing you every single card, because that way the video will be too long. Let's go through it real quick here. There was nothing really a big time note in this pack. Yeah. Pack 3. Maybe I'll get lucky, get an auto. Doubt it, but you never know. Here is a Brian Goodwin. These are short print, like flag, like they're country flag cards. They're a short printed version of the prospect cards. And there's Darren Ruff rookie from my Phillies PC. So that's cool. Pack number 4, it looks like there might be a mini in here. The mini chrome refractors. Yep. And let's see here. It is a mini refractor of A.J. Cole, Washington Nationals prospect. He is number 4 on their prospect list. There's a Hinju Ryu rookie, the guy for the Dodgers. So that's not too bad. And that's Carlos Ruiz for Phillies PC. Pack number, what do you get, 5 here? Only thing to note too much in this pack is they have reprint rookies that they put in these. They're like refractor, like looking versions. I got the Joey Votto one. It's a reprint of his rookie. There's the back. In this pack, there was absolutely nothing of note. Yeah. So that was a pretty shitty pack. There's 2 packs left. Pack 7 and 8. There's an Alex Rios short printed with their home country flags on there. That was the only thing of note really in this pack. And pack number 8. Roy Holiday for the PC. And LJ Hose rookie. Well, that's funny, that guy's name. And the only thing was an insert, Bowman Top 100, Alberto Mondesi, which is Raul Mondesi's son. He's prospect number 93 on the Top 100 list. These are just inserts. So that was the only thing of note in that pack. So that's about it for, well, that is it for the box. The only thing of note was probably the very first pack, which was the Carlos Correa orange refractor, or orange short printed version rookie. I guess I'll keep going. Try to go quick here with the Gypsy Queen. There's 8 packs there. Like I said, everything in that box, everything in these boxes is for trade or for sale. So PM me or hit me up if you are interested in anything. There we go. 8 boxes of Gypsy Queen, or 8 packs of Gypsy Queen, which I'm really excited about. I really like this product. Might end up doing a hobby box of these eventually. Oh shit. Just going through them real quick. No, there's a mini of Chris Davis, Vida Blue, Felix Hernandez, no hitters insert, and glove. What's this one? Glove Stories of Gregor Blanco. Get a lot of inserts in these packs. The cards are really cool looking though. There's a nice little mini Ryan Howard for my Phillies PC. So that's cool. Pack number 3. We got a nice Lou Gehrig. Derek Jeter mini. Dealing Aces insert of Adam Wainwright. And then a Rob Brantley rookie. Nice pack. Moving on here. This was a pretty nice pack. Willie McCovey mini. One of my favorite players, Albert Pujols. Bryce Harper. Mike Trout insert, Sliding Stars. Hal Newhouser. And Will Clark. So, pretty good cards in that pack. That's pack 5. We've got 3 left here. So this one we got a Michael Young for the PC, a Ken Griffey Jr. mini, and a no-hitters insert of Jim Abbott. I'm sorry, this is, yeah, pack number 6. And this one, a Jose Bautista mini. And an insert collisions of Brian McCann. Two left here. We got a Dan Uggla mini, a Ty Cobb, a Gypsy Queen Golden Stories Derek Jeter insert, and a Gio Gonzalez Dealing Aces insert. And the last pack, there's 2 cards to note in this pack. One is a mini John Kruk from my Phillies PC, and then last but not least, Miguel Cabrera. So that's it for the 2 boxes. Let me know if anybody saw anything that they're interested in any of these 2 boxes. Work out a trade or sell it to you, you know. And that's it for now. Appreciate everybody for watching, and I should have at least 1 more package this week sometime. So I'm waiting on a mystery pack that I bought from Card Collector, 10/25/79. So that's about it, everybody. Talk to you later. Peace.